Good morning. I wanted to do a video today showing you how you can use this amazing program called Kittl to create SVGs that you can use with your laser engraver and your laser software to make an assortment of projects and products. All right, so I am at the Kittl homepage, and this is a really in-depth program here. But today we're just going to focus on the basic image generation for our lasers. So I'm going to click here at the top, new project, right? And it's going to take into the Kittl editor. And Kittl is a lot more than just a image generation program. It is basically a full design suite where you can create a project start to finish. Like over here you have elements that you can add to your canvas or your artboard. You can upload images they have available. You can add textures, text, all kinds of things. But for this purpose, for today's video, I am going to show you how you can use the Kittl AI to generate black and white vector files that you can use with your laser. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to Kittl AI, and summer is coming, so let's do some sea animals, undersea life designs that we can create new laser files and laser designs with. So I am just going to put in here realistic. What do we want to make? Let's do a manatee. Realistic manatee facing forward, simple design. And now we're going to scroll down till we get to these styles area, and you see there is a style right here, vector styles, and in here we can choose from a variety of vector styles. We have your vector art, vintage drawing, cartoon, line art, silhouette, emblem, coloring book, anime, and street art vector. And you can play around with these and decide which ones you like the best. For right now, I'm going to choose the vector art, and I'm just going to click generate image, and it'll take a couple minutes to generate. So there's the manatee. I like it, but it's not exactly what I was going for. So I think I'm going to go in here to vector styles, and I am going to let's select cartoon and see what we get there. And we're just going to click generate image again. Now I like that one a little better. It's not exactly super realistic, but I did choose the cartoon style, so I didn't expect it to be crazy realistic. Let me do one more. And this time I think I'm going to do the coloring book style. That one's really nice. I like that. Definitely a usable image for my laser. And let's try one more. Let's try vintage drawing. See what we get there. Now all of these images are definitely usable, as a engrave file. I just, it's up to you to find the style that you're looking for. And then we have the vintage drawing, and now that one's really nice too. I'd say any of these will work really nicely in the laser. So I am just going to save this. Actually, what I'm going to do is zoom out a little bit, and I am going to duplicate this artboard. Duplicate that so we can save each one of these as its own file. That way we don't have to mess around with ungrouping them in our laser software. So each artboard or canvas will save as a independent file when you download. So let me move these guys. He can be deleted because he's already over there. Let's move this guy down here, make him bigger. And doesn't really matter how big you make them, because they are going to be SVGs, so they can be scaled as much as we want without losing any quality. Okay, so we have all four of them on different artboards, so we're going to click download, and we want all 4 boards, and we're going to download as SVGs. We're going to click remove background and optimize quality, just because. We're going to click download, and it's in my work in progress. So let's do manatees 3, because I have a couple folders with manatees already. Right, now let me go in here and find that zip folder, manatee 3, extract. Now manatees 3, go, and let me get rid of this. Okay, here's a couple earrings I already did. Let's get rid of those quick. All right, now let me go back here. We will go to File, Import, Work in Progress, Manatee 3, and we can see the files we just created. I think I'm going to bring this guy in. He's cute, and I always make my engraves black. And let's see, what do we want to do with him? Oh, let's just do a pair of earrings to keep things simple today. I have this cute little roundish earring blank file that I made. So we'll zoom in. Let's move our little manatee on top there and resize him till we get him where we want him. What do you think of that? I like that. He is, yeah, that's cute. Alrighty, select them both, intersect, and there you have it. You have a cute little manatee pair of earrings. Okay, and that is how easy it is to use Kittl to create SVGs for your laser. It's, you know, all in what you want, the design you want, the look you want. In fact, let me go back over here. I brought in that more of a cartoonish one. Let's bring in this one, the vintage line drawing, or no, this was a coloring book. Resize him so we can fit him on our earrings. Let me move these out of the way. And you know, you can do this however you want. I really like when I just bring in a part of the image, and I like that right there, I think. So let me grab this, intersect, and there you have it. There is another. Group him, duplicate him, move it over, and mirror, and bam, there is another pair of earrings just that quickly. Using Kittl to design vector files is just a game changer. You can do so much with it so quickly, and you have so many different styles to choose from. There's just, the possibilities are limitless. So I definitely, excuse me, if you haven't used Kittl, check it out. I have a link below where you can try it out for free. And if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.